Okay guys, and welcome back to my channel. The Grand Highlander is available with 3 powertrain options and standard all-wheel drive, a 2.4-liter turbo gas engine, a 2.5-liter hybrid, and a hybrid max powertrain with 362 horsepower and 400 pound-feet of torque. All 3 powertrain comes with 3 drive modes: Sport, Eco, and Normal. 3 multi-terrain select modes are standard on the gas and hybrid max model: mud and sand, rock and dirt, and snow. The hybrid max powertrain can tow 5,000 pounds, which is similar to what the Hyundai Palisade and Kia Telluride can tow. The Grand Highlander is built on the TNGA platform. Toyota says it offers travel storage area through the cabin, ample cargo capacity with a room for 7 carry-on suites behind the third row. Overall cargo capacity is coming in around 98 cubic feet or 2,775 liters of space, which is similar to the Volkswagen Atlas. The Grand Highlander has 3 trims available across the 3 different powertrains: XLE, Limited, and Platinum. The XLE trim has 18-inch wheels, a black painted grille, roof rails, heated outer mirror, soft text upholstery, heated power front seat, a heated steering wheel, a 7-inch multi-information display, a wireless charger, and a power liftgate. Moving up to the Limited trim, at the power folding side view mirror, LED fog lamp, LED daytime running light, leather seating, driver seat memory, a 12.3-inch digital driver display, heated and ventilated front seats, a panoramic sunroof, ambient lighting, heated rear seat, and a power liftgate with kick sensor. The Platinum trim adds heated and ventilated second row seat, a head-up display, panoramic view monitor, and a digital rear view mirror.